normally I can be this amazing, grounded, centered, just focused, just like, I mean, sometimes Lynetta will like see me like working at the computer and I'm just so on it. You know, I've done computer stuff for like 40 years and I'm just the total master. And I still even help some people, a few clients with computer stuff. Because it's just like, I own it. I'm the master. And there's a lot of worldly things like, you know, I do all the repairs around our RV that I'm, you know, really the master of. But when something goes wrong, like my iPad's literally not responding to my touch and I keep jabbing at it and it's just not doing what I want, or some website's not working the way it's supposed to, or I'm doing some minor repair in the RV and there's some tiny little screw up in the corner of the RV that I have to replace, and it squirts out of my hand and rolls on the floor. And man, I hate to admit it, but I can start cursing up a storm. And I'll never do that in public. Like, the only one I'm comfortable enough to do that around is Lynetta. And we were kind of like tuning into what is this really all about. And basically it comes back to a hurt child, because my needs were never really accommodated. What I want really didn't matter, particularly to my dad. It was his way or the highway. And so I learned never to really express what I wanted, to basically hide what I wanted. And I was often made to do things I didn't want to do. And I would externally comply, but I remember one time in my mind deciding, you know what? I'm gonna comply on the outside, but on the inside, I'm going to totally be rebelling against you. I basically said that right in the middle of his taking pictures and asking all of us to smile when, you know, internally I was seething. So I put on a fake smile on the outside, but internally I was like, oh, you are not controlling me. Not on the inside, you're not. So I've always kind of had this dichotomy between the outside and the inside of me. And it really comes out when something doesn't go my way, the way I think it's supposed to go.